Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to change your logo in the WordPress header and adjust its size. We are going to keep this extremely short. The absolute easiest way to swap your logo or tweak how big it appears is right inside the WordPress theme customizer. Many popular themes have this built right in, and we will be using the responsive theme for this specific example. Step 1. Log directly into your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Appearance on the left-hand menu, and click on Customize. Step 2. Once that customizer interface fully loads, look for the Site Identity tab and click right into it. Step 3. This is where you will see your current uploaded logo and all the settings connected to it. To adjust the size, simply grab the logo width slider and drag it to your preference. You can adjust the exact size in pixels and instantly see a live preview of those changes on the right side of your screen to ensure it fits perfectly with your overall site design. Finally, step 4. Once your header looks exactly the way you want it, just click that Publish button at the very top to push your changes live. That is literally it. You can update your branding in seconds. If this quick video helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to embed these newly sized logos into your Tableau dashboards or Notion workspaces next, and I will see you in the next video.